Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Porsche 911 Carrera. This two-door convertible has a six-cylinder, 3.8-liter H6 engine with rear-wheel drive and a 7-speed double-clutch transmission. This Porsche is a great value with less than 42,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, and window defogger.